Matt saw it and I think he liked it because he wanted to send me this. Hi everyone, it's Maya again. Santa Claus came a little bit earlier this year from you, WordPress. Today I'll unbox this. I got it because I made a video with my dad about my first website, Rookies27. Matt saw it and I think he liked it because he wanted to send me this. So let's see what's inside it. So let's try to figure it out, or maybe like this. Yes. This side. Perfect. Now let's put the knifey in a safe place. And it's so big. Okay. Maybe we need to put it. Perfect. Now, wow, what's this? It's beautiful, like a WordPress box. Okay. Wow, it's a letter. Maya, the future looks so bright when we see talented young creators like you. We were very impressed with the website you built and we wanted to send you some WordPress swag to celebrate all your hard work. We can't wait to see what you'll dream up next. Keep blogging and keep being awesome. From all of us at Automattic and WordPress.com. Oh, very beautiful. Very beautiful. And here we need to open this. Wow! What animal is this? A sticker. I love stickers. And what animal is this? I don't know, but it's cute. 1,000 stickers! Oh wow. And this smiley word pin and patch set. Oh, beautiful. And the glasses blanket. Another WordPress sticker. And this, I don't know what's this. We will see. Another thing like this. Another thing like this. But this one looks so cute. Wow, snowflakes with WordPress. And also this. Oh my god, so beautiful. They sent me very, very big and beautiful things. Oh my god, a t-shirt. Let's see. Code is poetry. Whoa. Oh no, wow. 1,000 stickers. And this hoodie. And a WordPress bag. It writes WordPress on it. I can say a very warm thank you to WordPress. I really like this gift and I'll keep posting on Rookies because I love it. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye! Hi Hi everyone, I'm Maya again. Today I'll